just got some treats here that I'm going to take up to the chickens. It is some zucchini that was from last season, some oranges that needed to be used up, and some wheat, I think it is, or maybe some barley, I'm not sure. I can't quite remember, but I cooked this up and then froze it just to use up some of the zucchinis that had grown too large. They weren't really very nice for us to eat. And then the oranges that needed to be used as well. Hey chickies! And then it's also got some leftover stuff from some of our meals, that just some scraps. Hey! You ready? Have a look at all these eggs. Yum. You can hear them still. They'll be finding the yummy things that are in the bowl that I took up for them, and they'll be running around chasing each other for the best bits. They're very entertaining. What I'm doing is I'm torturing the chickens with a silver bowl, but what I'm actually doing with this silver bowl is I'm coming to collect some pepperberries, so they can be roasted when they're green, and not pepperberries, appleberries. Come to collect some appleberries. So these are the ones here. So that is them. So I'm going to pick some of these guys and I'm going to try roasting them. She's just flown over the fence. Hi, Chicky. I don't have anything for you, sorry. We've got these guys done, the appleberries. They should be cool enough to try. Bit squishy. Oh, it's not the best. I don't know, maybe I've done something wrong. If you have cooked appleberries before, let me know. It's kind of almost nice, but yeah. No, it's a real, I don't know, like a really bitter aftertaste. I was hoping that would have worked really well. Never mind. Nice try. Hopefully they'll be yummier when they're ripe. Got some skin and some of the pumpkin seeds that I'm going to roast up as well. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of ground coriander powder on it. Bit of salt, bit of oil, and I'll pop them in too.